Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I am unboxing a budget shotgun mic. As you can see, Boya MM1. So before I unboxing, I consider subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. So starting the unboxing Boya. As you can see, is showing picture and it's compatible with a smartphone, tab, PC and camera. And also here Boya MM, it's here there's some specifications. So 50mm stick and simple box. So just opening here, and it is basically for blogging. So first of all, user manual with English, then a mount for DSLR camera. So it can be mounted on top of DSLR camera. So here is the cables for connecting a smartphone to microphone. Sorry, this side is for a smartphone and this side for microphone, as you can see. So another one cable, it is for camera, as you can see. Here is the, and it is for DSLR. Then one pouch pack for this microphone, carrying microphone. Then final one is microphone itself. And interesting thing is they provide also windshield when you shoot outside, so it's protecting wind sound, so it's very good quality. And final is main body microphone. Here's the microphone, and it is aluminum body. So in this bag, as you can see, microphone port. So it is Cardioid microphone. So it's a bit, it is mainly for blogging. So when you shoot, so I am setuping. So then just clip here. Then I'm using for a smartphone cables. So first check, it is for microphone. So I'm setting up with my mobile, as you can see. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it connected. So if you have, I don't have a blogging tripod. So if you had blogging tripod, it work like this. So you can handle the from here. So I don't have this. So or if you using with DSLR camera, it is then you can lock it on top of DSLR. So this is my simple unboxing. So I hope this video did helpful. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.